How to install the multifunction roll for HP DesignJet Z6 Pro and Z9+Pro 64-inch printers. The multifunction roll module is an accessory that can switch between different paper types and different paper widths. Before starting, make sure you have access to the following. You may need 2 people to perform certain tasks. The time required for assembly and setup is approximately 30 minutes. Ensure you have enough room at the front of the printer before starting with the paper loading process. Make sure that the printer wheels are locked to prevent the printer from moving. Do not remove the core roll during the assembly. To assemble the multifunction roll, you will need the following: a T20 screwdriver, a T25 screwdriver, the 3-inch accessory, included in the box, 2 T20 screws, included in the box, and 2 T25 screws, included in the box. First, remove the packaging. Open the plastic bag and remove the 3-inch accessory and the screws needed to install the multifunction roll. You'll need 2 people to install the multifunction roll. Do not remove the core roll. Remove the multifunction roll from its box and remove the packaging foam from the sides of the multifunction roll. Remove the straps on the carton, then remove the packaging foam and the orange tape. Take care not to damage the actuator on the lower part of the multifunction roll, and make sure you don't pinch the connector cables on the front panel side. You'll need 2 people to insert the multifunctional roll. Carefully insert the multifunction roll into the side of the printer. Locate the guides under both ends of roll 1. Take care not to cause any damage while inserting the multifunction roll into the printer. Screw in 1 T25 screw on each side of the printer case to attach the multifunction roll. At the back of the printer, screw in the 2 T20 screws. 1 screw is used on each side of the printer. On the rear side of the printer, locate the cable and connector. Turn on the printer and tap on paper. Tap Settings. Then tap Output Options and then tap Install Accessory. Tap Multifunction Roll. The empty core is needed to perform calibrations. Place the core on the right of the load station. Locate the hub and pull up the lever to unlock it. Push the hub into the roll. Lock the lever and push the load station's bar to close. Go to the front panel and follow the instructions to calibrate the multifunction roll. The printer will start moving the empty core forward and backwards to calibrate it for 4 minutes. The multifunction roll is successfully installed. You can now adjust the multifunction roll behavior. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.